Kardam katu kawe Karbitis 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangarat do ana fans tamil la pen pini la so video long nali tumhana ke than ponji la bangki West Karbi Anglong pen kapiklang pon Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK sinang than pechini ponikpo kopi Voreng Avarsai ma kon ana pus abikensi sidoma kai planning ji koson ma la pen last date komantu ma la so details la bangke kai kiason la so video lo si thekpon long ikpo nali tum la so YouTube channel anda subscribe kelang pode pada depin pen subscribe igon la pen videos tami nali tum share ponikon Tangde non patiek pen West Karbi Anglong pen kapiklang pon Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK le lang polonang la pen cethan polonang Tangde non patiek pen cethan polonang la pen lang polonang screen along nalitum thek polong exi nili long do advertisement alo la pen kopia Voreng Avarsai ma la so APUTHAK non lang polonang ke cheng sinalitum lang poningo government of Assam district legal service authority mate West Karbi Anglong judicial courts la pen office compound Sayali Hamren pin number 782486 West Karbi Anglong Assam nali tumda email la lang ponigo la pen contact number tami lang ponigo la pen la Voreng Avarsai kapik lang pola bangke district legal service authority ahin ben sepak lang poniglo West Karbi Anglong judicial courts la pen office compana hin ben sepak lang ponik la pen karana pu sa vacancy sidoma kai planning ji koson mala soputhak chi than pon nang ke cheng sinali tum dak advertisement number lang pon ego la pen dates tami lang pon ego 18 December 2024 arni silas bangso advertisement amatelas bangso Voreng Avarsai publish pon iglo Lapen kicheng sinali tum dak pen thek pon thulong lang application are invited in a standard form as a published in Assam Gazette Part 9 from the intending eligible candidates who are citizens of India filling up the following first lying vacancies in the office of the district legal service authority West Karbi Anglong Hamren along the post bang do positok pono la pen ning hanga bang pha bang fitum dan litum standard form pensi standard form amate Assam Gazette Part 9 so form na litum computer kulat pen sta me endam ik pen na litum print out pen details kenang so sat ason anani tum fill up nang pola pen koson se ka fill up ning mala so process taminili kedam ta video long stamina than pachini iglo jongsen ani tum jogdon igvekji pulotangte ala so forms taminili long stamilong igji nili fana humre go nili forms taminang pikpo la pena pusala bangke daki ong oke kali lower division assistance mate L.D.A puta pupon pon la pena post ke do la bangke isivet se dak pipon lo la pen category la bangke unreserved mate UR la ke madus tame dak jogdon long la pen apply dun long la pen pay scale nali tum dak pen theklong ji mate scale of pay la bangke payment 14000 pen 70000 unlong pon exi la pen GP dak dot lang 6200 unlong pon exi nang litum la pen ke charli ang deng ke nang ji la ke graduation unang po la pen computer knowledge tame do nang ji pusi la dak ke pupon la pen apos amen ani tum arju pon thuli thon non lower division assistance mate L.D.A apos la ke do ke inward apartment la pen category la bangke dak unreserved la pen salary nali tum 14000 pen 70000 anali tum long pon exi la pen dak kacharli ang deng bang puthon ni lang than pachini pon po graduation la pen computer knowledge tami dunang ji pusi la sodim bangke ke tok pon iklo la pen terms and condition copy pc da ke tok pon manali tum thek pon long ji number 1 ong lang pon lo pulotang te candidate must be Indian citizen nang po mate article 8 article 8 constitution of India arona teng pe nang po la pen candidate la bangke nali tum thek long ji number 2 lo 18 pen akikom kalida nang po la pen 40 pen aki ong kalida nang po arta la bangke alang litum dak arta calculation ponji la bangke 1st January 2024 ven dak calculation ponik po la pen is relation la bangke government role setting dak pi ponik po la pen puthot dot la number 3 long ke tok pon la bangke la son la just na litum apply dun example te qualification added la pen employment exchange la so certificates tamen nang igvek po la pen Number 4 long dotulang candidates who are already government service will be applied through proper channel along with true copies of their respective service book and NOC from the dear employer. La pen nali tum jong se pene government service puthot claim bom lang polte alang litum stami dak jogdon ikme stami alang litum service book nang pola pen no objection certificate nang exi alang li ke claim adim along pen la pen puthot dotulang ko PPA documents ke nang jima polote nang litum photocopies nang exi photocopies bolte nali tum non hejong ka cheuthai mate ka chituli a photo nang po passport size photo la pen cell attested nang pong tona documents long ta la pen nali tum dak la son ta se education qualification la pen experience do pulote experience certificate la pen caste certificate age proof la pen employment exchange registration card nang po la pen photo la bangke nali tum dak theklong ji pak thom nang ji pusi dak tok po la pen ke thon dam neng zia dim la bang ke nalitum Office of the District Legal Service Authority West Karbi Anglong hamren along si la sodim sinalitum humri dam ignang po. Lapen number 6 long ke tokpona teng polotang te candidate must also provide their valid email address and mobile number in the application form. As application form along nalitum email ID lapen mobile numbers tame ka fill up dun nadim do hodak tame nalitum email ID pen mobile number la bangke nalitum fill up dun igvek nang po lapen nalitum la so a form fill up type na phi documents pa bon type na phi envelope long nalitum jok nang po mat envelope long thap nang po envelope long thap that a phi nalitum ke tok nang ji la envelope thak la bangke application for the post tok nang po lapen lower division assistance puto nang po lapen kunada dim se kapili zima hola so dim amenta tame mention do nang po amen to rectable nalitum screen along Technology, the Secretary District Legal Service Authority West Karbi Anglong, Hamren Judicial Court Complex West Karbi Anglong, Sayali, Hamren, pin number 782486 la sodium C, Palidam Nangpo. Lapen puthot number 8 long lang pon lonang command to answer last date mal so puthak sta me chithan ponona candidate may send their application either by post or courier or can personally submit the drop box in the office of the district legal authority West Karbi Anglong Hamren. The last date of receipt of application is 6 January 2025 till 4 p.m. Application received after last date without proper supporting documents or unsigned or incomplete defective application will not be entered and will be summarily rejected. Pusida ke tok pon la sida ke tok pona teng polotang te nalitum jongsi jogdunji pulote hamren long dam jipin pen da chokji nalitum post office long dam pen stamel la solo bang nalitum jogdam ikme kali pulote nalitum couriers tame lodun ikme na pen last date la bang ke nalitum dak thek pon long ikpo non ki bang jianing kan 2025 baningkan 6 January 2025 ningan sam 4 p.m. ansi dak last date lo lapen nalitum jong si ladaki pipona date pen jong si date 7 thonam rong bolte lata alang litum accept contact thelo lapen nalitum jong si application ka fill up lapen documents amukha jong si choklim le bolte lata nalitum phana reject pupusi alang litum ladaki tok pon lo lapen kopipi sidak test ki enponjima la so puthak stame dak tokpon iglo nalitum langpon iglo la number 9 pen chenglok dak number 10 number 11 12 13 lapen 14 15 sontak dak sidak pena andos dak 17 ando nalitum na terms and condition lapen dak details lang deadline nalitum joges tame jogdoni kon lapen la so video nalitum share tame kan ma share un Karbi Anglong ras tame plan igna lapen pachini igna lapen ka char leng deng do kido tum mate graduation ke pas lapen computer knowledge jong se do pulte nalitum la so post ba nalitum jogdoni go apus la bang ke siver la se kopai do link si la so bang so Voreng Avarsai bang along ikpo la se long le pura nang litum ning chipo don ris tamen nalitum ka try don sikime ke jog don sikime morning sike nalitum long igvexi success igvexi as do me thak me ka do ka ve Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara do anfans tamen nilhin pen la cardom to change your